Okay, go.
Good morning, Christy. Hope you're feeling better.
Hey, Christy.
Is John gonna say anything this morning?
Good morning, Christy. We're expecting you to be out next time.
Here's Will.
Morning. Yes, I'm back, and they didn't scare me away.
As we go into the house, I gotta remove my shoes. Here we go.
Was going to like ruin their life. And they would be better off just having a
Everybody's eating breakfast.
The way this thing grows, I'm so tall.
I'm not. They're crazy.
Second video for Christy. We're making you hungry, Christy, for breakfast.
No, you're not. Because look at I'm in the Clean Plate Club.
Yeah, one of us.
Morning, Christy. Ann brought me coffee today. I think it's you.
That's because Catherine reminded me.
Hi, Christy. Good morning.
Of course, Catherine's working in the kitchen again.
Christy, your coffee. It'll be up in a moment. Would you like a little cream? Maybe some sugar? How about a touch of maybe some garlic in the...
Let's see. Who do we have in the other room? Sorry, I don't want to make you... Oh.
Oh, you're going to get another video where I'm saying hello to you on the phone and on the video here. So you're getting the breakfast video.
Here, we missed your dad yesterday.
Yeah, I went to bed early.
But he did eat all of his breakfast. See? Look, empty plate. And we have Keith again.
I miss you some more, Christy. I miss you more than I did when I was on the phone with you 5 minutes ago. We'll see you in a while.
And you just say hi to Christy. It's recording.
Oh, it's recording. I thought it was a regular picture or something. Just hi, Christy.
Okay, John's finishing up his toast. All right, we'll talk to you later.
This is the 21st